Render is lighting up the charts like a 4th of July fireworks display, up a staggering 1,800% from the lows of the bear market and hitting fresh highs not seen in 2 years. And just when you thought things couldn't get any hotter, here's some juicy news drops. The CEO of Render Network is slated to speak at an NVIDIA conference in mid-March. Welcome back to the Cryptoholics Corner, where we're diving deep into the sizzling connections between Render and the behemoth of the AI world, NVIDIA. But before we unravel the intrigue, a quick disclaimer. We're not financial advisors. We're just your friendly neighborhood crypto enthusiasts here to dish out the latest news and entertainment. If you're enjoying the ride so far, don't forget to smash that subscribe and like button and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop with all our latest videos. So let's talk Render. This altcoin is currently on a tear, up a solid 8.5% for the day as we speak. Now, why the sudden surge, you ask? Well, it's all thanks to the juggernaut of the AI world. They just dropped some jaw-dropping earnings, blowing past expectations and sending shockwaves through the market. With demands for AI hitting a fever pitch, NVIDIA's stock has been on a rocket ride, soaring over 225% in the past year alone. Render is poised to ride that same wave of success. Speaking of success, let's talk numbers. Render has seen a meteoric rise of around $1,700 from the depths of the bear market. But here's the kicker. We haven't even scratched the surface of its previous all-time highs, which hovered around the $8.5 mark. It's like Render is flexing its muscles, showing the world that it's just getting started. You heard it right. The all-time high for Render is sitting pretty at around $8, while it's currently chilling at $6.90. There's not much standing in the way of Render reclaiming that throne. So, if the AI and crypto markets keep riding high on the bullish wave, Render could be in for a smooth week. But hey, don't take this as financial gospel. It's just one crypto enthusiast's take on the situation. Now let's dive a bit deeper into Render. We've been talking about NVIDIA's stellar earnings and how they're propelling the AI market forward, but here's the kicker. Render isn't just riding NVIDIA's coattails. It's got its own special connection to the giant. You see, NVIDIA is hosting their GTC conference from March 17th to March 21st, and guess who's in the spotlight? None other than Jules Urbach, the brain behind Render and the CEO of Otoy, a company that utilizes Render Network technology. Now, if we take a peek at the Render Network website, we'll see Jules Urbach's name shining bright. He's slated to give a talk on the future of GPU and AI-driven rendering, covering everything from gaming to visual effects to media design and beyond. It's like a sneak peek into the crystal ball of tech innovation, with Jules laying out the roadmap for Octane Render and the Render Network itself. Run-of-the-mill crypto. It's a trailblazer in the realm of AI and blockchain technology. Picture this. Render's like the industry's pioneer, paving the way for a revolutionary concept. An all-in-one blockchain distributed GPU rendering network and 3D marketplace. And guess what? Jules Urbach, the mastermind behind Render and the CEO of Otoy, is set to spill the beans at NVIDIA's upcoming conference. He'll be diving deep into the future of media, shining a spotlight on holographic AI, light field technologies, and real-time rendering. It's like a sneak peek into the next era of tech innovation, with Render and NVIDIA leading the charge. But let's get back to basics for a moment. What exactly is Render all about? Well, buckle up because it's about to get exciting. The Render Network is essentially a decentralized powerhouse, a platform that empowers artists to scale their GPU rendering work on demand. How so? By tapping into high-performance GPU nodes scattered across the globe. If you've got idle GPU power lying around, you can lend it out to the Render Network, and in return, you guessed it, Render tokens come raining down. It's a win-win situation, with artists getting the rendering power they need and GPU owners cashing in on their unused resources. Now, why is GPU power such a big deal, you ask? Well, it's the backbone of the AI revolution that's sweeping the world right now. From basic rendering tasks to cutting-edge artificial intelligence, GPU power is the fuel that keeps the tech engine running. And with Render right in the heart of this narrative, the sky's the limit for this innovative project. The evolution of Render's business model is nothing short of fascinating. Initially conceived as a platform for connecting artists with decentralized GPU resources for rendering tasks, Render has undergone a significant transformation, pivoting towards the burgeoning field of machine learning. In a recent article by Van Eck, a major player in traditional finance, renders highlighted in the context of the AI landscape. The article underscored Render's transition to Solana, a move indicative of its commitment to innovation. Now, what's particularly noteworthy is Render's newfound focus on leveraging its decentralized GPU fleet to power machine learning workloads, specifically to support deep learning models. Now, this shift in focus was catalyzed by the implementation of the Network Improvement Proposal RNP-04, which paved the way for Render to offer an API that connects external networks like IO.net to its GPU infrastructure. This integration enables Render to serve as a decentralized facilitator of GPU workloads for machine learning tasks, a role that positions it at the forefront of cutting-edge technological advancements. Render's role as a facilitator of GPU workloads is pivotal in driving forward key narratives in both the stock market and the crypto market. By providing a platform for coordinating GPU resources, Render not individuals and organizations to harness the power of machine learning, but also contributes to the broader narrative surrounding decentralized technologies. As such, Render's trajectory is closely intertwined with the evolving landscape of AI, presenting ample opportunities for growth and innovation in the years to come. Now, shifting our focus to the performance of the Render token itself, let's delve into its USD pair as well as its Bitcoin pair, both of which have showcased impressive outperformance. Starting with the USD pair, it's evident that Render is currently trading at levels unseen since late 2021, coinciding with the previous peak of the crypto market. A significant breakthrough occurred recently as Render managed to surmount the crucial $530 range, a level that had previously acted as a formidable barrier. Back in early 2022, this range marked a local top before the broader crypto market experienced a downturn. Interestingly, in December 2023, Render experienced a minor pullback from around $500 to $35, only to swiftly reverse course and surge beyond its previous local high. This surge has propelled Render to establish fresh 2.5-year highs, as evidenced by the weekly candlesticks. Now, what's particularly striking is the lack of substantial price action at this level historically. During the previous bull market peak, Render ascended rapidly to this level before retracing swiftly, indicating minimal support or resistance to navigate. Therefore, it wouldn't come as a surprise to witness a continuation of this upward trajectory, given the absence of significant obstacles. As we observe Render's resilience and upward momentum, it's evident that the token is charting its own course amidst the broader market dynamics. This resilience, coupled with its innovative use case and strategic partnerships, positions Render as a compelling investment opportunity in the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency. When we dive into the 3-month chart for Render, there's a particular bullish signal that caught my eye: the $530 mark. We initially hit that level, broke above it, retraced back down, and then made a powerful move back up. While it wasn't a perfect retest, this pattern of breaking above and then finding support near a previous high is often seen as a positive sign for an altcoin's strength. Render seemed to pull off this maneuver quite well, setting the stage for further upward momentum. Now let's turn our attention to Render's performance against Bitcoin, a metric that can provide valuable insights. I'm a big believer in comparing altcoins to Bitcoin because, let's face it, if an altcoin can't outpace Bitcoin, then you might as well have invested directly in Bitcoin for potentially better returns with less risk. Thankfully, Render has been demonstrating impressive strength against Bitcoin since early of last year, steadily climbing higher. In fact, if we zoom out on the chart, we're inching closer to the all-time high territory for the Render versus Bitcoin pair. We're currently hovering around 0.0013 with the all-time high sitting at around 0.15. So, Render is just a stone's throw away from reclaiming new heights against Bitcoin, indicating its resilience and potential for further gains. Both the USD chart and the Bitcoin chart share a common theme. They have broken above a key resistance level established in late December. This synchronicity suggests a strong bullish sentiment across different metrics, signaling the potential for Render to push towards new all-time highs. As always, we'll keep you updated on any developments in the price action. With that said, I hope you found today's insight valuable. Remember to take care of yourselves, stay safe, and we look forward to catching up with you in the next video. Take care everyone and peace out for now.